Yes, I try to show my students about the car, how to check the oil, how to put gas in, all those routine maintenance things, air filter, right? And there have been some times where a headlight has went out. We had to go to a auto parts store, or the windshield wiper blades didn't work. So there are a lot of things that you don't see in driver's ed because a lot of people who are online just don't tell you. You just see them in a car doing some turns, doing some parking here, parking there, but they don't show you the real life things such as getting gas. In the UK, they say petrol, windshield wiper blades. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to leave this on. I have $5, right? Gas is $3.79 a gallon. I'm going to get as much as I can. That's going to get me home. And for some people, you put 20 bucks in, that gets you gone for 3 or 4 weeks. So I'm teaching real life. This is about real life. So I'm going to shut the car off, of course. And you always want to keep the key with you. It's against the law to leave your car running when you're at a gas station, okay? And technically, you don't want to leave any valuables. So I got my backpack and all this, but I'm going to lock the door because people can, if they really want to steal something, they're going to steal it anyway. So I'm going to lock the door. I'm going to go in and tell them, you got to, I'm going to switch screens for a second. You got to know something. So you got random people walking, young lady right here got her hot chips. I'm at pump 4. You got to go inside and tell the station attendant of the owner of the gas station what pump you're at. And then you give them cash. Also, if you use your debit card out here, they'll put a hold on your card of $50 or $100. These are some other things that a lot of instructors don't tell clients.